Snoopy. How you doing this morning? You sleep good last night? Hmm? You ready to go to work? Is it safe? Huh? She smelled it, make sure it's the right one. There's another dog in there, so this is the drain plug. It comes with two. I thought it was just one, and then this is the ceiling, I guess. He said put ceiling around there. See if we can put this stuff on here, huh? That's what it said. Look. Oh, there's like a ceiling on there or something. What? Well, you can't open it. I guess you have to chop this thing off. I don't know. Probably sold me one that's no good. You know what I mean? Try it out or something. I don't know if you can see that. So let's see if we can do this. How I put it in there. I'm sure it has a better. I'm using my hand here. Well, I turned the water on and I don't see any more leaks, so I didn't tie it that much. See all the wetness? I wonder if I should dry that stuff off. Maybe I should start turning the power back on. I'm gonna check on this thing, make sure there's no water leaks. Everything looks good, huh? Problem solved. Making me some quick lunch here. And then I'm gonna have roasted buns. I like to toast my buns. A bit of butter. And I have the hot dogs that I cooked the other day. And I have the watermelon for dessert. Ooh, that's gonna be good, huh? Uh-oh, this thing going backwards. Or maybe it's this way, huh? I don't know. We'll find out. I think it's this way because the camera. Anyway, so this is. I'm gonna show you how to make a quick lunch. I'm gonna have to cut this, so you put these like that. Might just use two of them because the plate's too small. Put that on there like that. Hot dogs I had in here, I cut them in half pieces and stuck them in there. You probably just put them in the microwave, you know, but cut no onion today, but put that up in there. Like that. Add some cheese on there. And then this stuff that you made with the chili beans. Put that on there like that. Oh my god, this stuff. You could probably put hot dogs on this one too, but I'm just gonna do it like this. And there you go. That's an easy 5-minute lunch. I ended up buying the Fire Stick, Fire TV stick. Those are some of the apps it comes with. Netflix, Prime Video, YouTube, Disney and all that, Shabazz, Apple TV. And a lot of them are free. You know, you get to watch free TV. It comes in the box. Let's see what comes in the box. Now, if you don't have, let me see, what all this stuff. I don't know what that is, but get a remote, Prime Video. I have Prime. That's the one reason why I got it. Is I got Prime for the business, and this is this thing you put in there. See that? You have this. I guess this is an extension. So this part goes in there like that. Slide it in there, and then put it in the back, I guess. There you go. Let's stick it in there. I'm not sure what that's for. I think that, oh, that's the plug, huh? Is that what that is? So, here you have it. The Fire Stick. It's actually got to be on the Source TV or Source. You have to have it HDMI 2 port. There you go. Where my glasses at? English. Searching for internet. Okay, okie dokie. So I guess you have to have internet to get on here. So let's. So I guess those are all the apps you could actually